Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video, we'll reveal day 22 of the Wera Advent Calendar. So far, we have a wand halter with various hex keys, a pouch with handles, micro and large bits, and our magnet. Now let's see what's behind number 22 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have the multi-posi bit for our large handle, which can now go in our pouch. Don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 23. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.